channel. Today I am showing this video how to fix remote computer requires network level authentication. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error remote computer requires network level authentication, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Just click on start menu, then type here view advanced system setting. You can see here view advanced system setting. You need to click on this. Click on this remote tab. Here you can see you have to select allow remote. Just click on OK. Allow remote connection to this computer. You have to select this option. And after that you have to uncheck this option. Allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. After unchecking this, click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix remote computer requires network level authentication. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.